Live from Michiana, this is ABC 57 News at 5:30.
Today we're focusing efforts here in Mishawaka.
It is Rail Safety Week in Indiana, and the city of Mishawaka is participating by focusing on two crossings in particular where several people have died over the past decade. It is Indiana Rail Safety Week, and one Michiana town is making sure to stay right on track. Mishawaka police officers hit the streets today to raise awareness of the dangers of getting too close to railroad tracks. Police officers say keeping your distance and paying close attention to your surroundings is critical. Officials tell us there are laws in place to keep you safe.
A lot of people don't realize that walking on the tracks is illegal. Going around the gates is, a lot of people think if there's no train there, you can go around the gates. As long as the gates are down at a crossing or the lights are flashing, you aren't to go across at all. Same thing with trespassing. If you are caught trespassing on railroad property, it's actually a misdemeanor. You can potentially go to jail on the spot for trespassing on rail property, even if there are no signs posted at the location.
And throughout this week, you might see flyers and pamphlets that aim to spread information on rail safety. South Shore Trains will be participating in this as well.
Police in Michiana want you to be more aware of the dangers of railroad crossings.
Yeah, it's all part of Indiana Rail Safety Week. We'll take you to Mishawaka, where police say you need to pay attention to your surroundings to stay safe.
Keep an eye on your community. It's Indiana Rail Safety Week. In recognition of the week, Mishawaka police officers hit the streets today to warn people of the dangers of getting too close to railroad tracks. Police officers say keeping your distance and paying close attention to your surroundings is key to avoiding an accident or a collision with a passing train.
The McKinley crossing, which is right behind me, this is one of our most highly traveled crossings in the city of Mishawaka. So today we're looking for vehicles that are trying to beat through the red lights, and also looking for commercial vehicles that by state law are required to stop, such as hazmat vehicles and vehicles with flammable materials, and making sure that they actually obey the laws as well.
Mishawaka Police isn't the only agency getting on board. Throughout this week, you might see flyers and pamphlets that aim to spread information on rail safety. South Shore Trains will be participating as well.